Hi, my name's Matt and I'm with RV Country. Today I want to talk to you about the importance of servicing your trailer axles. So how often should you have your trailer axles serviced? Well, manufacturers Lippard and Dexter both say annually or every 12,000 miles, whichever comes first. Performing a bearing repack and replacing wheel seals, but also the inspection is very important to the functionality and reliability of your trailer axle. What we have here is the most common issue we see day to day. That is a rear seal that has leaked grease into your braking area. This can contaminate your brake pads, your magnet, and the drum. Grease on your braking components is obviously going to limit your stopping ability. If you have any questions about your axle or you'd like to bring it in for service, give us a call. And remember, safe travels start with your stopping ability.